Tiger Woods has been arrested for DUI again, but this time it's very suspicious because he blew a 0.00, but yet still he was booked for DUI and refusal to give a urine sample. Get locked in. We are going to break down everything that we know about this recent Tiger Woods arrest. Let's go to this quick video of the sheriff giving details, and then I'll tell you what the streets are saying.
Just before 2 p.m. today, the Jupiter Island Police Department, which is where we currently are, received a call of a rollover crash about 2.5 miles from where we are. The Jupiter Island Police Department responded out there and found a pickup truck pulling a pressure cleaner trailer and a Land Rover which was rolled over on the driver's door, and we're going to provide you photos of that. The investigation started, and initially, right off the top, it did appear that the driver of the Land Rover might be impaired, and at that point, the Chief Ewing of Jupiter Island Police Department called me from the Martin County Sheriff's Office and asked for our assistance. It wasn't that the Jupiter Island Police Department isn't fully capable of doing these types of investigations, but quite frankly, the Sheriff's Office has a lot more repetitions in these traffic crashes and these types of investigations.
Get some more details. Tiger Woods was arrested in Jupiter, Florida after speeding down a street, clipping a car, and rolling his Range Rover over, according to law enforcement. The incident happened around 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A pickup truck was turning into a driveway on a two-lane street when the Range Rover roared down the street at high speeds, according to the sheriff. The driver of the pickup truck tried to turn into the driveway, but the Range Rover was going at such high speed that the pickup truck could not fully enter the driveway, and Tiger Woods clipped that vehicle, causing his Range Rover to flip over on the driver's side. Tiger climbed out of the passenger window of the car, and the cops arrived shortly thereafter. Deputies quickly observed that Tiger appeared impaired and lethargic. They conducted an alcohol test and it registered 0.00%. The sheriff said during the news conference he believes Wood was not under the influence of alcohol, but rather medication, which is very, very important. Let me continue. Tiger was placed under arrest and taken to the station where he refused a urine test. What's he hiding? He was booked on DUI and refusal to submit to urine analysis. Tiger will have to spend a minimum of 8 hours in jail before he's bailed out. He's used to this by now. The sheriff did note Woods explained he had various surgeries, and they took that into account when assessing him. But according to the sheriff, he failed the various field sobriety tests. Y'all remember what just happened to Justin Timberlake and his test from 2024. We're told neither Tiger nor the pickup truck driver was injured. If y'all remember, back in 2017, Tiger was also arrested for DUI, also in Jupiter, Florida. Body cam video showed Tiger clearly impaired as he was wobbling on the road. He later claimed in a statement, "I want the public to know that alcohol was not involved. What happened was an unexpected reaction to prescribed medication. I didn't realize the mix of medications affected me so strongly." We have that video for you. 1 second. Then also in 2021, Woods nearly lost his leg in another rollover crash in Los Angeles County. He was not arrested at the time when LA sheriff called that crash a total accident. Yeah, right. The sheriff also said there was no evidence of impairment, but drew quite a bit of criticism when it was revealed he did not test his blood for substances. So he got off in 2021 because he learned his lesson from 2017. But what is happening now in 2026? Watch this video from 2017 and I'll let you know what people are saying.
Where are you coming from today?
Jupiter, Florida.
You're coming from Jupiter, Florida?
Yes.
Okay, do you know where you're going?
No.
You're just driving around or what?
I like to drive.
I'm sorry?
I like to drive.
You like to drive?
Just go from Mentalist.
Okay.
Walk to the golf course, stuff like that.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink tonight?
I'm not.
Are you sure?
Yes.
100%?
100%.
Okay. Have you taken any illegal drugs?
No.
Okay. Have you taken any medication?
Yes.
What have you taken? Okay. Do you remember what happened when my partner came up behind you? Do you remember being asleep in the car? You don't? Okay. Have you had any head injuries in the last couple hours, approximately 24 hours? No head injuries? Do you have any feet or knee injuries that would stop you from conducting some exercises like walking in a straight line, staying on one leg? No? Okay. All right. So right now, I think that you probably shouldn't be driving, okay? I think you're under the influence of something, whether it be alcohol or something else, okay? So I would like you to conduct some field sobriety exercises to see if you're going to be okay to be driving.
It's widely been rumored, especially in the golf community, that since Tiger Woods had his first accident when he was getting divorced from his wife, that he has been addicted to this medication, but he mixes it with prescription medication, and that's how he gets by. Now, listen, Tiger Woods has had a lot of surgeries, okay? I'm a pretty avid golfer, and I have followed Tiger Woods for a long time. He has gone through a lot, not making excuses for him, but the back injuries, the ankle injuries, etc. And you have heard Michael Jackson, you have heard a various amount of celebrities, as soon as they get on these prescription medication, it gets them into a world where they're where they have access to these doctors that borderline give them medication that is like above board and kind of under board. And that is what people have been rumored to be saying about Tiger Woods. Now, what is beyond me is why he keeps on driving. Tiger Woods is a billionaire. Hire a driver, my guy. Like, what are you doing? You are Tiger frigging Woods. I remember a time when I saw Tiger Woods at, I think it was like a golf tournament. He was being driven around everywhere. Like, I've seen Tiger Woods 2-3 times and he's always being driven. Now, I understand most of these incidents happen around his hometown, where I think he lives either in Jupiter, Florida or near there. So I guess it is safe to assume that, he feels like, he's going to just drive around in his own little area and not need a driver. But that's all fine and dandy if you're not on 20 or 15 different cocktail mixes. You know what I'm saying? So I'll leave this up to you guys to decide in the comment section below how you feel about this. Do take into consideration that he has had, if I'm not mistaken, 3 or 4 back surgeries. Back surgeries are nothing to play with. Leg, ankle, he just tore his Achilles heel. It was just rumored that he might be playing at the Masters this year. I think a lot of that is probably just paid promo and he's not going to end up playing. And now for sure, he's definitely not going to end up playing. But look, I might be a little bit biased because I've been following him all this time, but he has gone through a lot. No excuse, even though if I have bias, no excuse to be driving like this. No excuse at all. Y'all sound off below. And let me tell you something. This is just the beginning. We haven't seen any pictures of him. Wait till the sobriety test videos come out, the dash cam, body cam. This is merely the beginning. I say this is Justin Timberlake times 10 because Justin is Justin. This is Tiger Woods. Let me know how y'all feel about this in the comment section below. And do not forget to keep it locked to this channel daily for your entertainment, political, and viral news. Do not forget, please, to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell and notifications and click all so you never miss an episode. I'll see y'all next video. Peace. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy, Turn Out Loud.